Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech Guru. In this I'm going to do the fingerprint speed test unlock comparison between the Realme GT Neo 2 versus Realme X1 Max device. So this is a question which has been requested by a few of my subscribers, ask me to compare these both phones side by side. Let's see how much difference can it be there between these both phones. And both phones, they do have the in-display fingerprint scanner. That's the main reason why few of the users, they want to know which has got really faster unlocking capabilities. So first let's check the position of the fingerprint scanner, exactly at what position it is, because sometimes the Realme phones they do have on the top side of the fingerprint scanner, sometimes they do have in the bottom side. So that's what I'm going to exactly demonstrate. Right now, as you can see, when the fingerprint scanner is up in the bottom side, and Realme GT Neo 2, they could have kept the fingerprint scanner slightly in this location because the screen size is big one, right? 6.6 inches screen size, so it should be kind of slightly located in this kind of position. That could be kind of really good spot, because 6.43 inches, no problem, it's easily kind of convenient to access from the bottom side as well. But for the big screens, maybe if it is slightly kind of top side, it will be really good. Now let's try to unlock the both phones at same time, and I'm trying to use the same kind of animation as well. Let me to show you exactly, because you should know same animations I'm trying to use. So that's also another most important thing. You can see same animations. I'll try to let me to show you. So same animations, as you can see clearly, perfectly same everything. Let me to close the lock screens and open the lock screen. Right now I'm trying to unlock, so let me to unlock it right now. 1, 2 and 3. So slightly the Realme G2 feels little bit faster, I think, little bit, but not much. Try to observe, try to watch this video in very slow motion in the YouTube, so then you will be able to observe properly. Just a little bit, I can actually sense. So you're getting really very strong haptic feedback when the phone is unlocked, very strong. Even in the Realme X7 Max also, you are getting the haptic feedback, but it's kind of okay, not that strong. But this one is really very strong. Bam. So now let me do exchange fingers, I mean exchange the phones between both hands. Let's try. Sometimes it's kind of very close, nothing much huge difference at this moment. Now next thing is to check the fingerprint scanner when the phone is in lock state. I mean completely in the screen off state. Right now the screen is off completely. Now try to observe, there is a difference. Now the Realme GT Neo 2 was able to unlock slightly kind of faster, as you can see clearly. So I'm trying to show you the multiple times what is happening in terms of the speed test unlocking. So let's try again. As you can see, slightly difference is there. So let me know in the comment section below, friends, which phone was able to unlock slightly faster. I just want to look at the comments as well, what you would think about this unlock speed. When the screen is in on mode, both phones can actually unlock faster, but when the phone is in off mode, the Realme G2 is unlocking slightly kind of faster. This is, friends, thank you for watching this video, and in case if you have any other queries between these both phones, let me know in the comment section below. So meanwhile, signing off, friends, thank you for watching. Bye.